Hello po mga teachers. Ito po ay bakery operations para sa ating bagong senior high school curriculum as one of the elective ng Tech Pro. So, panuorin nyo po dahil during this video po makikita nyo yung passport para makuha nyo po yung PowerPoint presentation. So, ito po ang week 1, day 1. Fundamentals of baking bread and other baked products. So, nandyan na po yung topic, the overview of the baking industry and history of baking. So, lagay nyo na lang po yung pangalan nyo dyan. Nandito rin po yung learning objectives. So, ayan, define baking and the baking industry hanggang sa appreciating the contribution of baking to society and the economy. What is baking? So, nakalagay po dyan yung definition. It is the method of cooking food using dry heat, usually in an oven. It transforms raw ingredients into delicious food products through the application of heat. So, meron po tayong mga examples ng baked products like bread, cakes, cookies, pastries, and cupcakes. So, nandun na po yung mga pictures. The next, what is the baking industry? So, baking industry, it refers to the businesses and establishments involved in producing and selling baked products. So, for examples, bakeries, cake shops, pastry shops, commercial bread manufacturers, home-based baking businesses. Meron po tayo ditong parang trivia question. Did you know millions of people around the world consume baked products every day? And kasunod, we have the importance of the baking industry. Why is the baking industry important? So, nakalagay dyan, provides food for people, creates employment opportunities, supports local businesses, contributes to economic growth, and encourages entrepreneurship. Then, ito po ang ating reflection question. How does baking help families and communities? So, dyan po, magkakaroon ng Q&A sa ating mga bata para magkaroon tayo ng interaction. Ayan. So, meron din po tayong mga common products of the baking industry. The popular baked products, we have bread, cakes, cookies, croissant, cupcakes, and pie. So, makikita dyan yung mga nagre-represent ng bawat baked products. So, for the discussion, tanong natin sa bata, which of these products do you usually buy or eat? So, magkakaroon sila ng balik-tanaw sa pang-araw-araw nilang buhay. Ano ba yung madalas nilang nakakain dyan sa mga yan? Kinakain or binibili. And, punta tayo sa history of baking. So, the ancient beginning. So, baking started thousands of years ago. Ancient Egyptians were among the first people to bake leavened bread. They discovered that dough could rise through natural fermentation, and the significance, this discovery improved the texture and taste of bread. And the evolution of baking, paano ba nag-develop yung baking hanggang ngayon? So, it started with the ancient Egypt. So, doon na-discover yung leavened bread. Kasunod yung ancient Greece. The Roman Empire. Then, nagkaroon ng Industrial Revolution. Hanggang sa modern era. Okay, na kung saan meron dito yung mga oven. Nandito na yung mga oven natin and baking technology. So, today, baking is both an art and a science. Okay, for your class activity, so they are going to answer this question. What is your favorite baked product? Why do you like it? And where do you usually buy it? So, yung mga common questions lang na na kung saan mag-iisip yung mga bata. Marirelate talaga natin sila sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. So for the directions of the class activity, so think individually, discuss with your seatmate, and they are going to share their answer with the class. Next, for the assessment, so baking challenge, direction, read each question carefully and answer correctly. So meron na dyan given questions na may pamimilian, at saka yung number 5, they are going to complete the sentence. Okay, it's based on the lesson.